Hi guys, welcome to my new video on 5 helpful tips to write a powerful abstract for your academic paper or dissertation. This can be applied to any academic writing piece. I know a lot of students struggle with writing an abstract. As a person who works in higher education, who teaches in higher education, I see the struggle all the time. And I have some tips that could possibly, change your life. It's life changing, everyone. So, yeah, let's go over these 5 tips. So, the first tip is to keep abstract to one paragraph. Sometimes I see students write an entire page or two, and that's their abstract. And the thing is, you have to try to keep it to 150 to 300 words. Of course, check with your professor because at the end of the day, everything is at your professor's discretion. But ideally, you want to keep it to a nice full paragraph. Um, that should include some important information, which the rest of this presentation will go over. The second tip would be to share the purpose of your topic or study. This is so important. The abstract allows the reader to understand what your academic piece will be about. So it's really important to share the purpose of the study or topic. And if you don't do that, then the reader will be unaware of what your topic or study will be about. So it's so important. Number 3, provide an overview of your topic or study. So this is where you will expand a bit more from the purpose and give a bit more details by providing a general overview of your topic or study. 4, share any major findings. This is important. This will allow the reader to feel intrigued, feel like, whoa, I need to really read this document. Sounds like some good stuff is in here. So that's important. Share major findings, which will definitely uh, call your reader into your paper. And then 5, this is also important. Include your interpretation of the findings. You don't have to go into details, but just include interpretations that truly connects the findings to the purpose of your research topic, your dissertation, your study, whatever you're writing about. Just make that connection. That is so important. The thing is with academic writing, everything must connect. And the abstract is one of the very first pieces of writing, piece of writing that your professor will read or your committee member will read. So it's truly important to make sure that the abstract is clear, is flowing, connects to each other, cohesive, makes sense. So important. So I have an action step for you, and I hope you found this presentation helpful, but need a professional editor to proofread, edit, and provide feedback on your abstract or any academic document, well, here I am. I'm a professional academic editor, dissertation editor, and you can definitely book a service through my website, www.academicwritingmadeeasy.com. Thank you guys so much. And if you have any questions at all about abstract writing, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you want, feel free to share a piece of your abstract in the comment section as well, and I can share some insight. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.